Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here at San Michele in Foro, which is the square, and it's this gorgeous, incredible church, and we're going to go inside and take a look. So this is the San Michele church, and the thing that was noted about this too was the front of the church there, the facade, and all the pillars, but the whole square is just amazing. So not only that, it's got this old historic square to it. So you can see the old buildings over there and this old Roman type building here. And it's got some amazing art that I thought I'd come over here and show you real quick. A girl with her dog. How amazing is that? And the statue. So anyway, let's go deal with the church first. So again, this is a big, huge square, and I think I'm gonna go see if I can find a bottle of water and make some pretty pictures. But it's just gorgeous. You know, the clouds make it really amazing too. And this is, I think this is either gonna be San Michele or Foro or something. It's interesting how they do the facade, huh? You know, it's really not the whole building, and it's really deceiving. And you can just see the little walkway where they get up there and do their thing, but it's kind of interesting. Let's see. Let's get over to the front of this church and go inside. And from the front, it is absolutely beautiful and amazing. I guess I'll do one. Is that incredible or what? Amazing. All right, let's go inside. I'm sure they're gonna yell at me about a mask, so I better dig it out. I wonder if you have to buy a ticket. Maybe not. Not much of a ceiling. Not much of a floor. Beautiful pillars, beautiful arches, beautiful art and stuff. Beautiful skeletons. Interesting. Let's go over this way. Does it say who the dead guy is? I guess it doesn't. Anyway, that's it, everybody. There's not a lot happening in this church. The outsides, you know, there is a old adage that, you know, if it's gorgeous on the outside, it's not as gorgeous on the inside. If it's gorgeous on the inside, the outside isn't as, but you know, obviously that never holds true 100%, but I'd give the outsides a good 7 or an 8, maybe, yeah, 7, 8. And then the insides, yeah, I'd give a 3, 4, but still amazing. And it's a beautiful square. Very nice. Thanks, everybody. Bye.